say on my first video, Pre-sister use acrylic clothes. Only the chain is caroni. The clothes is cropped up purple and you're gonna wear is skirt. I'm doing her request. She is always commenting on my video. I don't know what her name is now, but our neighbors is change color a roof and put up Jesus picture on the door. And I have a tent. Let's go to my tent. My tent is little bit small. Let me put this. This is my tent, and my tent looks out. I'm inside my tent. My friends reject me. Only two not reject me, and the reject me also two. The who's reject me is Natalia and Rhea. I can't do a chocolate dessert out of mini Oreos. The sky blue one. And I have a lot of seaweed. But the video is almost gonna end. First, guys, like my video and subscribe for supporting us. We are in the poor family, but we only afford the house and the food and our electrics, not anything expensive. The video's gonna finish now. Bye bye everyone. Miss you.